What's the meaning of bleakly? Bleakly. Bleakly.
Bleakly. Bleakly. Bleakly is an adverb that describes a situation or mood that is characterized by a sense of bleakness or desolation. It implies a feeling of sadness, loss, and hopelessness, and is often used to describe a scene, environment, or atmosphere that is devoid of life or energy. When someone does something bleakly, it means they are doing it with a sense of resignation and pessimism. For example, someone might look at a rainy day and say, "It's raining again, how bleakly depressing." Overall, the term bleakly conveys a sense of despair and gloominess, and is often used in literature and poetry to create a dark, melancholic mood.